In this video, I'll walk you through my goal setting process for 2022 and how I'm using Ali Abdaal's anti-wastemanery system to set better goals. I'll also walk you through my decision making process for setting a particular goal and also the habits and routines that I need to develop for achieving that goal. And towards the end, I'll talk about how you can join my accountability program where we can work together and make 2022 the best and most productive years of our lives. So if you're interested, let's dive in. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Pushkar and I'm a student in Ahmedabad University. Needless to say, this video is going to be a bit of rambly and chatty video. So if you want to do something productive, get back to your work or watch something else, and you can always read my goals here if you don't want to watch the whole video. With that said, let's get started. So why do I want to be a web developer? So the first reason is that when I am a web developer, I would have the essential skills to turn an idea into a finished product. And that is something I really aspire to do. And the second thing is that if I look out for jobs and internships, web development is a really booming field right now and it really pays well. So these are my two reasons of why I want to be a web developer in 2022. So what are the habits that will help me get there? So the first habit is to be regular in my coding practice, and the second one is to build projects, is to take part in hackathons and just put myself out there where I will be exposed to learning opportunities. So how surprised would I be if I fail in this goal? And I would like to say that I would be pretty much very surprised if I miss this goal, because this is one of the primary goals I really want to achieve this year. And yeah, it would be a huge disappointment if I don't achieve this year. So future Pushkar, please don't miss out on this opportunity. Achieve this goal, please. So the top reasons for me failing this goal would be, first is to not being actually consistent with the practice. Second is being too distracted with the hype technologies. So let's say if I'm learning basic JavaScript and Node.js, I might be distracted by Solidity and Polygon and different types of blockchain technologies. While those have a place of their own, but if you're learning web development, you have to really learn the basics and then move towards the advanced concept. So the top reasons I would fail is, first is to not be regular with my practice, and second is to be distracted by too many things and to not focus on what really matters. So who can help me in this thing? So I think a lot of seniors from my college can help, because they are building, so the people who are in fourth year, they are building projects, they are turning their ideas into a startup or a product. So I can reach out to a lot of them. I can reach out to people on Twitter, I can reach out to people on YouTube, and a lot of YouTube channels already have a lot of good courses, so they can help me achieve the goal. So what is the action that I need to take to achieve this goal? So the one action I think I need to take is to time block my calendar for coding almost every single day, and to really rigorously follow that pattern so that I can be better at being a web developer and I learn new technologies and hopefully build out the skills so that I can take an idea into a product by the end of the year. So that's it for web development. So the second goal is being an aspiring YouTuber. Now I say aspiring because I don't know how the title YouTuber feels on me, because I have like 85 subscribers, but anyways. So why do I want to be an aspiring YouTuber? So when I was in class 12th, I didn't really know about liberal education or Ahmedabad University or something like that. So I really want to share the knowledge of people who are in 12th, of making them realize that you don't actually have to go in art, science and commerce streams. You can pick your own stream, you can pick your own major and choose your own life. So that's why I want to make these videos. And the second reason is, like, every time I make a video, I am sort of contributing to the internet. I'm sort of like playing in this great online game as Packy McCormick coined it. And every video I publish is a business in itself. It works on its own, so I don't have to put any extra effort of my video reaching one person or 100. So I think the YouTube as a content creation platform is really beneficial for the creators. So that's why I want to be a YouTuber. What's the habit that I need to develop for being an aspiring YouTuber? So the habit that I need to develop is posting 1 to 3 videos per week and to be in the habit of writing. So how surprised would I be if I failed in this? I think the surprise level would be 6, because there are a lot of factors, right? So the top reasons of failing would be me not finding quiet and good places to shoot on, because now I live in a hostel, and needless to say that shooting in a hostel is very chaotic. You have a lot of voice coming from here and there. So yeah, the top reasons to fail would be not having quiet places to shoot in, and the other reason would be that I would just move on to any other thing which has a higher priority in life at this point. So that would be my top reasons for failing. So who can help in this video shooting platform? I think before I need anyone's help, I really need to build the habit of consistently writing and shooting videos. And I think having a content creation community would help. So something that my friend Sophia is doing with her Uncomfortably Comfortable community, I think that can help me of achieving this dream of being an aspiring YouTuber and publishing 1 to 3 videos per week. So what's the action that I need to take to achieve this goal? And I think the one action that I really need to take is to time block for writing and to pick a day to shoot videos. Right now what's happening with me is that I have a few scripts ready, but I haven't really picked a time to shoot, and that's why videos get delayed. So I really need to time block for writing and to pick a specific day to shoot my videos. So the third goal is to write a blog and having a weekly newsletter. So why do I want to do this? So the idea behind the weekly blog and the newsletter is that I really want to use the stuff that I learn in psychology and think about how we can apply it in our daily lives. So what's the benefits of writing? So whenever I write something, it really forces me to learn that thing. So if I write about psychology and how it can be applied into a real life, it will not only help with my college studies, but it will also make me think about how we can use these concepts in our real life and will solidify my learning. So that's why I want to have a weekly blog and a newsletter. Every time you publish a newsletter, you always contribute in this luck of serendipity of someone reaching out to you and you knowing more people. And I think this can help me. So that's why I want to have a weekly blog and a newsletter this year. How surprised would I be if I would fail? I think the level of surprise would be 4. I know it's less. It's because creation of YouTube videos is a whole process in itself and it takes a lot of time and energy. So I don't know if I would be able to squeeze in the time to write a blog and to also publish on YouTube. So that's why it would be the surprise level would be 4 out of 10. Top reasons to fail would be the same, right? Because I'm also creating YouTube videos, creating blogs might get a bit difficult. So that's the top reason for failing and me not doing the stuff. So who can help? So for this weekly blog and newsletter, I think a lot of people can really help me. So there are some people I know from internet, which are David Perel and Ali Abdaal, who teach writing and how can I be better at writing. And also every person I meet on campus, every person I interact from Ahmedabad University, I can sort of relay those ideas from what I learned in psychology and always get this live feedback from people of what people find interesting and what people don't find interesting. And then I can structure my blog post in that way. So I think a lot of people can help me here. And the action that I need to take to achieve this goal is to again time block for writing and committing on a weekly schedule to publish my blog post. So the next 2 goals are working out daily and reaching out to a new person every week. So this was my goals for 2022, and now I just want to say how can you be a part of my accountability program. So there is a link in the description where you can go and sign up. So whenever you sign up, the goal is to create a common Notion page or a common Google document where I can see your goals and you can see my goals, and we can sort of keep each other accountable for the year and ask each other's progress and just be good friends and just be concerned for each other's growth. So that's the idea behind the accountability program. The link is in the description and you can go and sign up there, and sort of we can keep each other accountable and make 2022 the best and most productive years of our life. And thanks for watching this video. I don't know if I provided any value or not, but stay ambitious, stay curious and stay weird. I'll see you next time.